Hi YouTube, this is OsoX for ZeroZeroXVids.com, on YouTube and Facebook at OsoXVids. For text information to call me, check the description below. So today's video will show you how to pair, how to connect and how to use the JBL Endurance Peak true wireless Bluetooth stereo headphones or stereo headset. We'll do that with a modern Samsung phone, a Galaxy phone or Android phones for that matter. Unhook it to turn it on and keep it unhooked. I recommend doing this after charging it on the cradle with the charging cable. The first thing you gotta do is put the JBL headset into pairing mode. You do that by tapping twice, and the second time you keep pressing until you see a blinking light. It's gonna change from red to blue and it's gonna start blinking. That means it's in pairing mode. Now we need to pair it with the phone. So we go to the phone. In this case it's the Galaxy Note phone by Samsung. It's an Android phone. We unlock it with the fingerprint. We use the drop down menu and we turn on Bluetooth by pressing on this, and it's gonna show you a list of devices that are connected. It's gonna start scanning automatically for any devices that are in pairing mode. In this case the JBL Endurance Peaks. If that doesn't work, try to scan again. There it goes, JBL Endurance Peak. That's the pairing mode. We tap on it and it's gonna start pairing with the phone. So ask us a permission to pair with the JBL headphones. We press done. Now it's connected to audio and media, to calls, to phone audio and phone media. So that's the Bluetooth menu. We can tap on it and then you will go to the Bluetooth menu where you can turn on, turn off the Bluetooth, and then you can scan again for more devices. In case that the Bluetooth was on already, you can do that. So now the right headset, the right piece, can work with calls independently of the other one. You can get calls, and in stereo mode you can use both pieces to listen to music, to watch YouTube videos, media in general on your phone or your smartwatch. They will connect automatically. They will change to blue light when they're on. They will turn red once they're charging on the cradle, and then you can connect or disconnect the power to get them connected again, or at least charge them and close the lid. So that was the Endurance Peak. Thank you for watching, and as always, peace.